The Nokia Drone Phone 2026 is one of the most exciting smartphone concepts rumored for the future, combining advanced mobile technology with an innovative detachable drone camera system. According to concept reports and online speculation, the device could feature a large edge-to-edge AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, flagship-level performance powered by a next-generation Snapdragon chipset, and a premium design built from durable materials. Its most unique feature would be a compact drone camera that can detach from the phone and fly independently, allowing users to capture aerial photos, cinematic videos, and creative angles that traditional smartphones cannot achieve. The phone is also expected to include advanced AI photography tools, powerful zoom capabilities, long battery life, fast charging, and full 5G connectivity. While Nokia has not officially announced such a device, the Nokia Drone Phone 2026 remains a fascinating concept that imagines how smartphones and drone technology could merge into a single futuristic product, potentially redefining mobile photography and content creation.